Hi, this is Tampa Tech, and learn something new from PC, TVs, and gaming too. Let's get it started. Hi, it's Tampa Tech, and I got this new cover. It's kind of like 3D looking. It has a 3D effect, and it's carbon. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like 3D, but it's called Carbon, and it goes on my PS3, and it's from Slick Wraps. I got this alcohol cloth, and just clean it. That's how it's gonna stick on. So if you don't, then it's not gonna work out too well for you. You gotta make sure it's completely dry before you start this process. Now after it's done drying, what you want to do is go ahead and put on the stickers. And it comes with a sticker and instructions, but you have to go to there. It tells you slickwraps.com/instructions, and it comes with a couple of these cards. So it says like us on Facebook and get coupons and free giveaways and stuff like that, weekly giveaways. And it says download this the scan code and you get wallpaper at the iPhone App Store. So, and it comes with the cleaning cloth too. So I like it. It's pretty nice. Check it out. And I think it's pretty cool looking. Let me know what you think. How do you like it?
Oh, it's like checkers.
Is it like 3D almost?
Oh yeah.
It kind of like messes with you?
Totally, dude. I'm not even sure which is white and which is black.
It's none of it's white. It's reflecting from the light.
Crap, that's...
Messes with your eyes?
Oh god, that's gonna be a headache.
You're silly.
Oh god, that's gonna be a headache.
You don't have to stare at the control the whole time. But which way do you like it? The old way or the new way?
Oh, new way.
Me too. Look, how do you like it?
Good.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
You like it better? The old way or in this way?
This way.
It's cool looking?
And this too.
You're silly.